What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Gentle first, and if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, please do me a favor. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and also like this video while watching. I'll bring to you another winning strategy that I have tested, and it works. So it behaves like divergence sometimes, and also help you with the levels to take profit and also to enter market. So the name of the indicator is DeMarker, this thing. So let me show you the settings and tell you how it works. So it has a simple settings. So the period is 14, style 3 pixel, level 0.3 and 0.7. You click down. So how does this thing react? You can see here market is making a higher high and market is making a lower high here. So this thing was like divergence, and that's the reason why I took this trade. But you know what, don't take this trade immediately you see it forming like this. You need to have confluences, and the confluences I have on this thing is when price finish making the higher high, then started making the lower low. That is when I know that this market has ended its uptrend, and I also know that this divergence has started totally. So far it has finished this thing, and so far it has finished going down like this and up like this. I have reached this peak. So the main chart decided to make a lower high like this thing, making a lower high. That is when you are expected to enter the market. And at the end of this video, I will show you the trade I entered and how this market moved down massively, and I took my profit immediately it reached this 0.3 level. That is where I took, and that 0.3 level is around here, this first support. Let me show you this first support. That is where it landed, and I took my profit. So it is where I took only one trade, just I was testing this thing. So it is massively. So let me show you where it works, so that you know that this market, I have back tested it and it is awesome. The market is still crashing. Look at this one. Look at this one. Market, take a look at the chart. Market is making a higher high, but the indicator is making a lower high. And when do you expect to take this trade? Even though I draw a trend line, but forget the trend line. When do you expect to take this trade? You expect to take this trade around here if you want to be on the safer side. But if you are a risk taker, you can take at this second double top. So the thing works good. Take a look at this double bottom also, because you can use it to catch a spike, and you can use this to trade candlestick also. Look at this double bottom here. Look at the first, take a look at the indicator now. See where the first bottom landed and the second bottom landed here, creating a double flat bottom here, and also creating a higher low here. So you can see this thing work. It gives you clue before a trend can change. That is one awesome thing about this thing, because merely looking at this thing, you have know that the trend is an uptrend, but the market haven't to do anything. So this thing will give you a clue. Hey trader, see the market is changing the trend, so be getting ready. So anytime you see another confluences, that is the exact time you need to enter the market. And to be on the safer side, always take your profit around this region, this side also. And if you want to keep a trade for a long time, always lock your profit to be on the safer side. Even market move against you, because you have locked your profit, you will not lose anything. So that's it for today. Thank you. And if you found this content more valuable, please try give me a thumb up, hit the like button and share also. Thank you.